Students, you are going to study English, and the first chapter is The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. Before beginning the chapter, let us know about who Isaac Asimov was. Isaac Asimov was born in January 2nd, 1920, and he was an American writer and also a professor of biochemistry at Boston University. His works were mainly based on scientific fiction. This chapter is also one kind of same science based chapter. Before starting the chapter, also let us imagine ourselves in the scene, because this chapter is the conversation between two persons, that is one boy and one girl. The boy is Tommy and the girl is Margie. Now the whole scene is imagined by the writer in the 22nd century. You must be knowing about Doraemon, right? How Doraemon comes from the 21st century and he has lot of gadgets, and the studying, the school and everything is different from our world, right? In the same way, this chapter is also some kind of the same thing only. The Fun They Had is a story that transfers us to the future world. Now, these two children, that is Tommy is 13 years old and Margie is 11 years old. They have a discussion on what a real book is. Actually, Tommy had found a book in his house, and this book is a real book which contains the pages are yellow and crinkled. There are words which are not moving, they are steady. Anybody can read the book. It is not like a e-book or whatever you are just studying in the videos, right? It was not like that which we study in the textbooks. So he has found some book in which the story is written, and he shows to Margie. Now the story begins with Margie. Now Margie used to write her diary, and see what she has written. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." Now you can see the date also. The date is 17 May 2157, right? And how the book was? It was very old, and Margie's grandfather, right, once he had said that when he was a little boy, he had told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. That he is talking about our world. Now their world, in that they used to study the pages on the screen. Again, read the lines, you will find that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, and then when they turned back to the pages before, it had the same words on it that it had, and when they read in the first time. See, this line suggests that in that time the televisions, they used to contain over millions of books. What exactly it means? It means in the time the words were moving on the television screen, that they didn't had books. They used to study all e-books. Tommy feels that the e-books are better than the books, our books, because it can be stored. We have thousands of books. We can throw just once the book is read. We don't need them. Okay, now they are talking about the book. Now see again what the conversation says. She said, "Where did you find it?" "In my house." He pointed without looking, because he was busy reading. "In the attic." What it is about?" "School." Margie was not full. "School? What's there to write about the school?" "I hate school." Now, as you all, many of them hate school. Here Margie also hates school, and she cannot understand that how can someone write about school. Now how she is learning is also very interesting. you will further see in the last second paragraph that why she hated the school. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her hidden snowfully and sent for the country inspector. Now that means her teacher is not a human being, the teacher is a robot. Okay, now see how the robot has been described. Again, the robot, you can see in the last paragraph how she explains about the robot, that it is a very ugly kind of person, right? It is a mechanical teacher, it is black, large, and he is going on asking to do her exercise and everything. Okay, mother had to call a country inspector so that he can inspect this mechanical teacher. And how the man was, he was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires, because he had to treat this mechanical teacher. Now what Margie feels about it. Margie dislikes him, and the part which Margie hated, you can further see that what she says. Most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teachers calculated the marks in no time. Now you can imagine such kind of thing is also going on in your class also. Now we are giving you video lectures, you are studying, we are going to give you homeworks, you are going to prepare that homework, right? Same kind of situation is with Margie also, and she doesn't like this kind of teaching. Okay, now Margie is also disappointed. Why she is disappointed? That once what happened, that Tommy's teachers was taken away because it was not working properly. So it was taken nearly about a month. And why? Because the whole history sector had been blanked out completely. So she was also thinking that the inspector has came here, and the geography section will be also taken. The mechanical teacher would have been taken for 1 month or something like that. But what happens? He tells that the geographic section had been geared a little too quick. So the girl which was at a very small age, and the geography section was leveled up little bit high. So the problem was that the result of Margie was unsatisfactory. So he geared up this mechanical teacher, and everything went smooth. Now coming back to the conversation between Tommy and Margie. Now Tommy and Margie both are talking about the book. Now she is asking, why would anyone write about school? Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes, because it is not our kind of a school. Now he is explaining what is our kind of school. That he is telling about centuries ago, which we are studying, right? We used to come to the school with our friends. We sit, a human being teaches us. The teacher was not a mechanical kind. He was a human being, right? Now he also explains how students used to ask the teacher used to answer the questions of the student. But what she feels, see what the sentence, a man isn't smart enough. Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Now this statement suggests that they think that mechanical teachers are better than human beings, and the book contained that human beings are superior than mechanical teachers. The sentences, but my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit in the mind of each boy and a girl. It teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Now you can imagine with the lines, and you further read the lines, you will find that Margie is not satisfied with the answer that they or we had a special building where the children went for studies and they learned the same thing if they were the same age. First, Margie does not understand how person could be a teacher and how students were taught the same thing because her mother tells that education must fit each child's mind. That means each kid has a different teacher, and it seems very funny to her that how a human being can teach a whole class. Now while they are discussing, see what happens. Her mother calls her Margie school. Margie looked up. Now, said Mrs. John, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Can I read the book some more with you after school? Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away, whistling. The dusky old book tucked beneath his arm. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on, waiting for her. It was always on, at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Now you can find that Margie goes to the schoolroom in her house. School is next to her bedroom only, where the mechanical teacher stands. It is already on because the lessons are always at a regular hours. Now she is thinking about the old school. As you can see the picture, how she is going to study. Okay. Now she sits on the chair. The screen light ups. Now to the first lesson is arithmetic lesson, that is maths. Before the lecture starts, she is asked to insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot, and Margie does the same thing. Back in her mind, she is thinking about the old school, which her great-great-grandfather as a little boy had gone. How the kids from the whole neighborhood used to come, laugh, shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned many things together. She is liking this idea. How that all of us or all the students used to go together, study together. Okay, and what happens at the end? That she is comparing herself, her studies and the studies at the time of her grandfather, and she finds that their studies were better than her. So students, here we complete our chapter. Now children, you have been sent some questions. After reading the chapter, you are going to answer some short questions. So first 7 questions are very short. You are going to write in very short. For example, how old are Margie and Tommy? You must be knowing Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. In the same way, you are going to write the whole 7 question answers. After that, see reference. Again, you are going to answer, the options are given. After that, the third question, that is answer each of this question in a short paragraph. Okay. Now this you are going to elaborate and write. For example, first question, what kind of a teacher did Margie and Tommy have? Now you are going to explain about the mechanical teacher. As I told you how the mechanical teacher was. He was like a robot kind of a thing. Right? He was not an ordinary human being. He must be either a computer or something. He was made up of a tin, and you can compare that computer teacher with our human being teacher, and you are going to explain about it. Okay, now see second one. Why did Margie's mother send for the country's inspector? Right, what happened? Margie's computer was not working, and it was giving test after test in geography, and her performance was worse with every test. So in the end, Margie's mother signed for the country inspector. Now coming back to the question answers. Now see 2 or 3 paragraphs. You are in this questions you are going to write in detail. Now first question, what are the main features of the mechanical teacher? And the school rooms the Margie and Tommy have in the story. First of all, you are going to tell about the chapter, what the chapter says about it. Then you are going to compare about the teacher, and after all you are going to write the last scene also, how Margie used to study in her near, how the mechanical teacher was. It had a big screen, the lessons were given, the assignment had to send, everything. Okay. I hope children you will do your homework and write the question answers. Thank you.